A young woman in her late 20s, tired and emotional, sitting on a worn-out couch in a small apartment, soft morning light through blinds, cinematic tone. Just 2 years earlier, her life seemed perfect. A stable marketing job, a loving husband, and dreams of owning a home. But all of it crumbled in a matter of months. She lost her job due to company layoffs. Her marriage couldn't survive the financial strain. Savings dried up, confidence shattered. But all of it crumbled in a matter of months. One morning, while walking through a park, she overheard a homeless man say, "It's not over unless you give up." That one sentence hit her like a lightning bolt. That same day, Sarah made a decision. She would fight back. She began freelancing online, writing blogs, editing resumes, selling crafts on Etsy. Her first month, only $117, but she didn't stop. She watched free courses on YouTube, read business books, and worked until 3 a.m. most nights. She was rebuilding, step by step. In 1 year, she built a small digital agency. In 2, she had clients across the U.S., a remote team, and over $250,000 in yearly income. Today, Sarah mentors young women, telling them, "You are not your lowest moment. You are what you choose to do after it."